August 1st is the month that most gardeners simply waste. Not because they are too lazy to plant anything. They simply have never been told that the second planting window for harvest begins right now. Spring plantings are coming to an end. Summer crops are wearing out. And by about the middle of August, many gardeners have already mentally ended the season and started waiting for next April. But experienced gardeners know something different. August is one of the best months for planting. Not despite the heat, but because of what comes after it. Seeds germinate quickly in the warm soil, then mature in September and October. When the nights become cooler, the days become shorter. Vegetables that bolted and became bitter during summer grow sweet, crisp, and tender. Cold weather really does improve the flavor of certain vegetables. This isn't a myth. It's a natural response of the plants. In this list, you'll discover 15 crops you can plant in August. Number 4 is a plant that becomes sweeter after frost. Number 7 is a leafy green you can harvest in just 21 to 25 days. And the final crop won't give you just one harvest, but several cuttings throughout the season. Let's begin. Number 1, radishes. Most people think of radishes as a spring crop. But August radishes often turn out even better than spring ones. During spring, they are constantly racing against the weather. If you sow them too early, the cold soil slows germination.
As the
if you sow
temperatures
them
rise,
too
the
late,
radish bolts.
the heat causes the plants to bolt, and the roots
a
become
dry,
pithy,
woody interior,
hollow, and
replacing
overly
what should be
spicy.
crisp flesh.
In August, everything works the other way around. The seeds germinate in warm soil in about 4 to 5 days. Then the radishes develop as temperatures gradually fall and the daylight hours become shorter. Most varieties mature in 22 to 28 days. To harvest radishes continuously, sow a small new row every 10 days until the middle of September. But there's one rule: harvest them on time. If you leave mature radishes in the ground, they quickly become tough and bitter. Number 2, spinach. Spring spinach also races against the heat. It manages to produce only a few leaves before long days and high temperatures trigger flowering. The leaves become bitter, and the harvest comes to an end. August spinach develops differently. The seeds germinate in about 5 to 7 days. The plant establishes its roots in the remaining summer warmth, then grows into the cool autumn, the very conditions spinach is meant for. In hot regions, it's best to sow it during the second half of August because soil temperatures above 85 degrees Fahrenheit interfere with proper germination. Third, choose Bloomsdale. Long-standing or varieties labeled slow bolt. Third, harvest the outer leaves while leaving the center untouched, and one plant will continue producing for several weeks. Number 3, lettuce. If your lettuce quickly became bitter and bolted during summer, August gives it a second chance. The biggest challenge is germination. At temperatures above 80 degrees Fahrenheit, lettuce seeds may simply refuse to sprout. So sow them in a spot that receives afternoon shade. Water the bed thoroughly before planting, and for the first 5 to 7 days, you can cover the seeded area with a light fabric to keep the soil surface from overheating. Once the seedlings reach about 2 inches tall, they'll tolerate the remaining heat much more easily. And by harvest time, the nights will be cooler, making the leaves tender and sweet. Now for the crop that's worth waiting for: the first frost. Number 4, kale. When temperatures drop below freezing, kale begins converting its stored starch into sugar. This is how the plant protects its cells from the cold. That's why leaves harvested after a few frosts are noticeably sweeter and more tender than those grown during summer. Sow kale in August, let the plants establish themselves during September, and by October the first cold nights will begin improving the flavor of the harvest. For fall growing, choose lacinato, dinosaur kale. or Red Russian. Harvest the lower outer leaves while leaving the central growing point intact. Number 5. Carrots. Carrots use the same mechanism. Autumn cold converts part of their stored starch into sugar. That's why carrots harvested after a few cold nights are often sweeter than those harvested in summer. But August plantings face one challenge. The tiny seeds sit very close to the soil surface, and the hot sun can dry out the top layer of soil in just a few hours. After sowing, place a piece of burlap or a wooden board over the row. It will help retain moisture. Check the planting every morning and remove the cover as soon as you see the first sprouts. Number 6. Swiss chard. Swiss chard tolerates the heat of August and continues growing even after the first autumn frosts. Sow it now, and you can keep harvesting from October through November, and even longer in warmer regions. Swiss chard actually gives you 2 different products. The leaves cook quickly, almost like spinach, while the thick stems need a few extra minutes. So cook the stems first, then add the leaves at the end. The bright lights or rainbow varieties produce red, orange, yellow, and white stems, making the fall garden especially colorful. Number 7. Arugula. It is the fastest growing salad green on this list. Most varieties are ready in just 21 to 25 days. In autumn, its flavor becomes milder. The strong, peppery bite that develops in hot weather fades, leaving the leaves slightly spicy with a pleasant, nutty flavor. Don't let the leaves become overgrown. Arugula leaves that are 2 to 3 inches long are more tender and delicate than leaves that grow to 5 or 6 inches. Cut the leaves with scissors about 1 inch above the soil. New leaves will appear in 10 to 12 days. Sow a second small batch 2 weeks later, and you'll continue harvesting until October. Beets. 1 beet planting gives you 2 harvests. You can begin harvesting the beet greens in about 30 days. They taste similar to tender spinach with a light earthy flavor. The roots mature in 55 to 70 days during the cool autumn weather. Harvest them when the top of the root visible above the soil reaches 2 to 3 inches. If you leave beets in the ground too long, they become tough. The Chioggia variety has beautiful pink and white rings inside and looks especially striking when sliced. Number 9. Broccoli. Many people think broccoli is difficult because they plant it in spring, and then the plant tries to form its head during the summer heat. Broccoli isn't difficult. It simply needs to mature in cool weather. Sow the seeds indoors now. In 3 to 4 weeks, the seedlings will be ready for transplanting, and the heads will begin forming in October. After harvesting the main head, don't pull the plant out. Smaller heads will continue developing on the side shoots. And choose varieties that mature in 60 to 70 days, so they'll be ready before severe frosts arrive. Number 10. Mustard greens. They mature in about 30 to 40 days. However, during the intense heat of August, the leaves can become too spicy. That's why it's better to sow them during the second half of the month. The plants will establish themselves in the warmth, while most of the leaves will grow under the cooler temperatures of September. Harvest the young leaves while leaving the center of the plant intact.
This method encourages
One planting will provide several
continuously produce
harvests
new
through
growth
October.
from the center.
Number 11. Bok choy. Baby bok choy varieties are ready in about 30 days, while full-sized varieties need 45 to 60 days. 8. For August, sowing, shade, and consistent moisture are essential. At temperatures above 80 degrees Fahrenheit, the seeds germinate poorly, so choose a location with afternoon shade and don't let the soil surface dry out. Once the seedlings emerge, bok choy grows very quickly, and the cool autumn weather makes it sweeter and crispier. Number 12. Kohlrabi. Kohlrabi looks unusual, but it's very easy to prepare. Peel the swollen stem, slice it, and eat it raw. Its flavor is somewhere between a broccoli stem and an apple. Fall kohlrabi matures in 45 to 60 days. Harvest it when the swollen stem reaches 2 to 3 inches in diameter. Larger plants become woody and tough. White Vienna and purple Vienna are excellent choices for planting. Number 13. Turnips. Turnips usually have a bad reputation because of large, old roots. A young turnip about the size of a golf ball is a completely different vegetable, tender, crisp, and slightly sweet. The leaves can be harvested in about 30 days, while the roots are ready in about 6 weeks. The Japanese salad turnip hakure is especially mild and tender. It can be eaten raw immediately after harvest. Number 14. Collard greens. This is one of the most cold-hardy leafy vegetables. In USDA Zone 7 and warmer, it can grow throughout the fall and even into part of the winter. After the first hard frosts, the leaves become sweeter and more tender. Space the plants about 18 inches apart because they grow quite large. Harvest the lower outer leaves first. The center will continue growing and produce new harvests for several months. And number 15. Green onions. They aren't the most unusual crop on this list, but they're one of the most useful in the kitchen. The seeds germinate in 7 to 10 days, and a full harvest is ready in about 60 days. But you don't have to pull the entire plant out. Cut the green leaves with scissors about 1 inch above the soil surface and leave the base in the ground. In 10 to 14 days, new greens will appear. One August planting can provide 2 or 3 harvests before the end of the season. So there you have it, 15 crops you can plant in August and harvest throughout September, October, and November. While everyone else already thinks their garden beds are finished, your fall garden is just reaching its best. Let us know in the comments what you'll plant first, and be sure to include your climate zone. Your answer might help someone else growing vegetables under similar conditions. Subscribe so you don't miss the next planting guides and more ways to extend your growing season.